Hey everyone. So I thought I would do a review of Procreate Pocket. Um, if you follow my channel or my Twitter feed, you know I use Procreate a lot on the iPad. I don't use it as much on my phone, but I do have it on my phone and I have used it. Main reason probably I don't use it on my phone as much is I haven't found a decent stylus that works with it. Of course, there's no Apple Pencil support for the iPhone, so you either have to use your finger or find some kind of stylus that you can draw with comfortably on the phone when you use Procreate Pocket or any drawing app on your phone for that matter. So let's take a look at Procreate Pocket. I'm going to start a new canvas, and Procreate Pocket was recently updated to match all the features in Procreate 5X, which is the version for the iPad. So it has your pencils and brushes, and you can import brushes. It has the blur or smudge tool, eraser, it has layers, and it has your color picker and all the different color pickers down here. Now to find everything, you go to that modify button, and here you have under the wrench, you have all of your actions. You can pull that up if there's more there. So video, you have the time-lapse feature. There's your preferences and your help panel. Now, one of the things I had trouble figuring out is that you have to drag these menu names to the right to access the other menus that you normally would see on an iPad. So everything is there that you would expect. Canvas even has the reference panel and the face paint feature if your phone supports it. And then effects or adjustments. So under effects, we have all those. You have your blurs, your color adjustments, and your retouches. And then you have your selection tool, and you can use freehand, automatic, or shape. There's your settings for it. And then your arrow tool to move items around and resize them when they're selected. Now I can hit that arrow, go back to my gallery, where I can select import a photo to draw on. On the right here, brush size and opacity. So right now I'm just drawing with my finger. Let's pull that opacity down. Pick a color. Drawing is very smooth. I'm on an iPhone 12 mini. So no complaints about drawing. I can get the blend tool and blend just like as if I was smearing it on my iPad. And the eraser. And then layers. Now I have found that layers, just like on the iPad, it's limited to the device you're on and the power of the device. It's a little bit less the amount of layers you can use on Procreate Pocket. That's just the nature of the beast. And just like on Procreate for the iPad, you can do animation now. So I can have frames, have all of the features, full duration, foreground, background. So everything is here from the Procreate 5X version you might be using on an iPad, or even an older version on the iPad. They really packed a lot into Procreate Pocket. And just like on the iPad, Procreate Pocket is a free update. Procreate 5X on the iPad was a free update Something I really like about Procreate is, at least to this point, all of the updates I can remember have been free. You haven't had to buy a new version to upgrade. So that's really cool. But if you're looking for a drawing app for your phone, I definitely would look into Procreate Pocket. It's well worth the money, well worth the investment. Gives you natural media drawing tools. You can draw pretty much anything in it. You just have to get used to the smaller size of your phone. To give it a rating out of 10, I would give it a 9 out of 10, simply because of the menu issues and trying to find the menus when you are looking for different menus and different items. It's not very obvious that you have to drag over and to find anything. Oh, and one more thing I did forget to mention is that just like in Procreate, you can now also add text to your pictures in Procreate Pocket. So if I go to add, I can add text, and I can type text and pick a font and pretty much do everything you can do with Procreate. So Procreate Pocket gets a 9 out of 10 from me. Highly recommend it. It'll be staying on my phone, and I highly recommend it to go onto your phone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking this video, ringing that bell, subscribing to the channel. I have a whole bunch of Procreate tutorials on the channel, and a whole bunch of time-lapse and other drawing videos on the channel. So would appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.